Hello everyone, and welcome back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. This is an update on the 64 Ford F100. He's been working on the back of it today on the frame. He did some sandblasting, got it all cleaned up, and then come over it with the gray primer. And I think he did 3 coats of the brown. About to put some bed liner on it, so this thing will never rust. It'll always be rust free. I think he's got to put that on and let it dry. And what else you gonna do to it?
And then I'll come back and paint.
And then he's gonna come back and paint over the bed liner. He's gonna take the rear end out and clean it good. I think he's going to replace the seals and bushings, and I think he's got some more cleaning to do on it. When he gets finished cleaning the rear end, he's going to reinstall it. Gonna finish painting, put the seals in, like I said, and gonna put brakes on, do the brakes on it. What else you gonna do?
And then basically service it.
Just basically service it.
And paint it.
And go.
And put it back in.
Then, like I said, paint it and put it back in.
Yeah.
And we'll give you another update when he gets some of this other things on. And we appreciate y'all watching, and just stay tuned because this process may take a little while, but we want y'all to see every part of it. And we appreciate y'all. Thanks.